If you have contacts stored in Excel or CSV files and want to import them into your phone or email applications, then this video is for you. Many times, our contacts are saved in Excel sheets, but platforms like Android, iPhone, Outlook, or Google Contacts require VCF, vCard format. Manually converting them can be time-consuming and complicated. That's where Softaken Excel to vCard converter comes in. This tool allows you to easily convert Excel and CSV files into VCF format without any data loss. Key features: supports Excel and CSV file formats. Bulk contact conversion. Option to create single or multiple VCF files. Duplicate contact handling. Contact photo support. What's new? Enhanced multi-language support. Improved browse dialog with proper language selection. Fully localized advanced export settings. Better stability in language file handling. How it works. Step 1. Open the software and select your Excel or CSV file. Step 2. Click on Add button and map your columns with vCard fields like name, phone, and email. Step 3. Preview your data before conversion. Step 4. Choose export options and convert to VCF format. And that's it. Your contacts are ready to import into any device or platform. After clicking Export, a new window will appear with export settings. Step 5. Choose your export targets such as iPhone, Android, Outlook, or Google Contacts. Step 6. Select the output folder where you want to save the VCF files. Step 7. Adjust advanced settings if needed. Then click Export to start the conversion. And that's it. Your contacts are successfully converted into vCard format and ready to use on any device. So if you're looking for a simple and reliable way to convert Excel contacts into vCard format, this tool is definitely worth trying. For more info, visit our website. Thanks for watching.